Laura with Hot Fan Media, and today we're going to be working on fixing the headlights on a 2012 Toyota Prius. Let's get to it. Okay, so these Toyota Priuses have a common headlight bulb issue where they either burn out the headlights or the headlights the bulbs aren't coming on. Toyota actually made an effort to fix this issue with a recall where they put in regulators. I believe they're called HIDD or something like that. The regulators didn't end up fixing the problem. It just made the period before the bulbs burned out longer. And you can see here on this headlight that one bulb is not coming on at all. It doesn't matter what bulbs I switch into it, it won't come on. So after a little bit of research, I found one video of one guy replacing the bulbs with LEDs and that fixed his problem permanently. So I've actually tried this and it does work, and I was not expecting it to work. So I'm going to show you how to swap these bulbs. Every Prius is a little bit different in this area here. I've already taken out a bolt to be able to slide this out of the way because it kind of hurts to get your hands in here. But these headlights have two different types of bulbs. You're going to turn them towards the headlight to pull them out. And so we've got H11s and 9005s here. So they've just got a little tab on the back and they pop out. Oh gosh, it's hot. The other one wasn't hot because it wasn't even coming on. Okay. We will link these in the description below. They sell them as a set for the Prius, or I guess other vehicles who have this same H11 and 9005 setup. And these are the 9005. Honestly, the biggest difference that I can see is just the connector. So if this is not the right connector for this one is, because it'll have a tab on the back and two wings on the side if it's the H11. So this is the 90. And we're just going to slide it in. It goes into that little hole, and then you want to turn it towards the motor and then back towards yourself. I was wrong. You turn it towards yourself and then towards the motor. And you can't see anything. It's all just eye feeling work. There we go. Takes a little bit of fiddling. Okay. I know the headlights are foggy, but you might want to get a shot at it coming through on the other side. That'd be kind of cool. Kind of foggy. They're really foggy. Wow.
Can we turn them on?
Yep. I've got my lights and brakes on, and even though this one wasn't lighting up before, for some reason on the LEDs, it's lighting up now. I don't understand it, but it works, and it means that somebody's not going to get pulled over because the light bulb keeps blowing out or it's just not working. So I hope this works for you too. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like or a subscribe. It really helps us build this channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the shop.